Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how you can format your font using paragraph and character styles. So I've just got some dummy text in here, some placeholder text, and I've done a return just to create some headings here. So these are going to be my headings that I've got here. Now, although these are on separate lines, they are treated as separate paragraphs. So this would be a separate paragraph to this. So you could create a paragraph style for your headings if you wanted to, but I'm going to create them as character styles. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight my heading up the top here, and I'm just going to go through and format it as you would expect, just by using the options that you have up here for changing your font properties. So I might go and change that to Hobo Standard, and I think I will increase the font size, and then I'm going to go and change the color, and I'm going to make it blue. And you can also increase the spacing between the characters that you have within the word. So again, if I highlight that text, I can come up here and change this value, and that just increases the spacing between all of the characters. That's too much, so I'm just going to reduce that. I just want it a little bit, so I'll take it down to about 10. So I've set up what I want my heading to look like. Now all I need to do is to highlight that and come over and find my character styles panel window. So at the moment this is my paragraph styles, but to find it you need to go to Window menu, Styles, and then switch on Character Styles. Now that my character styles have come up, I can create a brand new style. I'm going to double click that style, and then I'm going to give it a name. So I'm going to call this Blue Headings and click OK. Now what you have to do, if you want your other headings to have exactly the same style as that first one, you just highlight them and then come over here and apply your character style. So I'm just going to go for all of these headings and apply my character style there. And the great thing about creating character styles and paragraph styles is that they really save you a lot of time. So if I want to come back and change my headings, so for example say the text is a little bit too small and I need to increase the size of it, I can just come back here to the character style that's been applied, come back into basic character formats, and I can increase the size. Now, a great thing here is to make sure you've got the preview tick on. If you've got the preview tick on, you'll see the changes live as you make them. So as I increase the font size, you can see the change. I think here I might as well change the character color as well. So I'm going to go for this pink color, and you can see all of my headings change. And I'm just going to change the name to pink to match the style. So that's a really quick way to update headings or text within your entire document by creating these character styles. One thing you will want to do as well is you'll want to probably set your body text as well. So I'm going to highlight this paragraph here, and I think this time we'll go and make that Helvetica, and I might make it size 11, and with the color on this one I might go for example, I might go for this purple color. Okay, so you can see the color that I've got set there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight that, and this time I'm going to create it as a paragraph style. So I'm just going to go and create a new paragraph style, double click it, and then give it a name. So I'm going to call this body style text, and then click OK. Then all I need to do is select all of my text, and I can do that by doing Command A or Control A, and then apply the body style text to it. Now you'll notice that when I highlighted all of the text, the only text that was affected was these paragraphs here. The headings were not affected, and that's because character styles override paragraph styles. So although I was trying to apply a paragraph style to this heading, I couldn't. And the reason I couldn't do that is because it already had a character style applied to it, and that character style overrides the paragraphs. But again, the great thing about this is that if you want to change all of the body text throughout the whole of the document, you can just double click here, come back in, go to basic character formats, and you could change the font, and you could go for a different kind of font. So we could go for impact, for example. Don't like that, but you get the idea. So I'm just going to switch that back to Helvetica and click OK. Now the difference here is between paragraph and character styles is that paragraph styles affect the entire paragraph, so they will change a whole paragraph all in one go, whereas with character styles you can just highlight just a few words or just a few characters, come in and apply your character style, and it will give that text that you highlighted that particular style that you chose. So character styles can be applied to individual words, individual characters, or just a few words, whereas paragraph styles will apply to the entire paragraph. Okay,